stuff. I've never tried it before.
Tri-anise?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Shane has some awesome products.
Oh, those look nice, dude. Come on, fishing. Come on, right on that edge. That was pretty cool, man. Already got a summer.
February 1st.
That's crazy.
Couldn't do it again if I tried.
Dude, I think the earliest one I ever got was in May. And I was springer fishing.
Yeah, I still remember that hog you got that one day.
I think it was a monster, dude. That was the biggest steelhead I've ever got.
Yeah, that was a 2010 kind of steelhead.
Crazy.
Yeah, those are hard to come up. Very good.
You know what? It cut really good, but it tasted weird, dude.
Really?
I don't know what was... I don't know if it was because it was so freaking thick.
Yeah.
Or what, but like it cut like a salmon, dude. Like the front shoulder on that thing was like that thick of meat.
That's insane.
And it kind of tasted funny. Like it didn't really taste like a normal steelhead.
Crossbred with the nut.
I don't know what it was, dude. It didn't taste that great though, whatever it was.
You got that kiwi blood.
It was just super fishy. Really fishy.
Tell you what, that summer I got, that was probably the best summer steelhead I have ever tasted.
Really?
The amount of fat and oil on that fish.
Wow, freaking fresh it was.
Yeah. Well, that and it's still early, you know.
Mm-hmm.
That fish had enough fat taste.
Yeah. Yeah, no kidding, huh? Did you eat it right away?
Oh, yeah.
God, this looks really good.
Gets all my terminal tackle kind of away from them.
Yeah, there's a nice ledge right there.
Yeah. There's a good. Should be a fish hiding somewhere.
Right?
The tail off.
Dude, that'd be so cool to fucking hook one on a worm.
Yeah, my buddy got one on
I'm tempted. I'm just so tired of bead fishing, dude.
They work, but
Mm-hmm.
like if I were to hook
It really is.
I would not want to jump.
No, dude, you lose so much.
I don't know. There's probably a way to figure out how not to lose so many fish on beads.
Mm-hmm.
I have not been able to figure that out.
Me neither, dude. I lost 4 already this year, just on bead. There's gotta be a fish here.
Right when we said there should be one sitting in there. A little bit lower than I thought, but he feels pretty good. Whoa. Oh, nice fish.
That's a really nice.
That's a chromer. Pretty one, dude. Sweet. Some steelhead?
Might be, who knows?
That's a blinger. That is a blinger. If I caught 2 summer steelhead while still winter steelhead fishing this early, he's a hot fish. Probably a little native. Give me a sec. Get to my bobber. Nice.
I think that's a keeper, bro.
Yeah, it looked slick. It looked slick to me.
Oh, it is an 8, dude.
It is?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Sweet. Beauty. We'll get some good pics and
Yeah.
call her a day.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Yeah, that's a pretty one.
Here, I'm gonna bring him up close to the bank.
Blinger. Nice little thumb head.
Dude, I think he swallowed it.
He did. Cut a leader and we'll...
Nice little dandy, dude.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. That's a chromer.
Pretty one. Send her on her way. Thanks for playing, sweetheart.
Hell yeah, let's go. That was a nice fish.
Your turn.
All the spinner fish though, I haven't lost one.
Yeah, usually if they surprise you on a spinner, which usually they do.
Dude, there is nothing like a spinner bite. It's so crazy.
Yeah, they grab it, they turn with it. They're usually just, they're there. And I thought I hooked a big native. Everyone was calling it. Your brother, everyone.
Oh, he was with you?
Yeah, Devin was in the front seat.
Oh, that's cool.
And we get that thing up and I'm just remember like that little thing, like it was like a 10, 12 pound steelhead at most.
Yeah, which is nice fish.
Yeah, it's respectable. And I just remember grabbing it, it just felt firm. And that was kind of like the first little like, oh, it's probably just a really, really nice fish, you know? And I get that thing on my tailgate to go fillet it. And I remember cutting the belly fins off and I'm just like, that's weird.
Like,
there was like an inch of meat on either side of the belly. And I was like, okay. And I looked at the fat lines. I was like, that's weird. And then I'm getting ready to pull the eggs out of it. Oh, I messed up that. I'm getting ready.
Why the hell are they so small?
Yeah, pretty much. I just remember cutting that thing open and there was no eggs. I was like, because usually the first thing you do, you know, you cut that fish open and there's the eggs right there. Nope, no eggs. And I was like, Tess is like, is it a buck? And I was like, there is no way this is a buck. There was so much fat engulfed around the guts of that steelhead. It was insane.